Hello, this is Jew, and look at what I have here. I have a frozen burritos. This is just Trader Joe's brand. Now you are looking at one of my lazy day meals when I'm too lazy to cook and I just want to throw something in the microwave to heat up so I can have some food. But you know, I have recently learned a trick how to microwave frozen burritos. Okay, so here I've taken it out of the package, put it on a plate, and they are exactly what they're meant to be, the frozen burritos. Now, in the past, I just put them on the plate, put them in the microwave them for several minutes, take them out. They're generally done, they're heated on the inside, but the exterior tend to not really cook evenly. Maybe the corners got kind of crispy, even the exterior didn't cook evenly, and some of it was dry, some of it was moist. I like them all moist. It wasn't really that pleasant to eat after I microwaved them. Well, I've tried also putting them in, let's say, Pyrex bowls or containers, covered them. That kind of works. It kind of cooks it more evenly, keeps them moist. But then you have to clean another container before you put it on your plate. I've even tried to wrap it with saran wrap, like on the plate, but I don't really like plastic touching my food, so that doesn't work. But hey, I learned a really simple trick. And here it is, kitchen faucet. You know, a friend of mine just said, well, why don't you just kind of turn on the faucet, take your frozen burrito, and just kind of rinse it underneath the faucet. You do that with both of them, and then it's all nice and wet, and then you just put it in the microwave for a few minutes and it comes out beautifully. So we'll go ahead and do that. Open this up, put our wet burritos in, set it for like maybe 3.5 minutes, and we'll start up and see what it looks like at the end. And it's all done. We'll open her up, and here's our burrito. Got a little bit coming out, but in general it's nice and moist on the exterior. You don't really see hard areas. Usually I get these corners that get overcooked when I don't wet it down. But you know, you can always put it in a Pyrex container and try to cook it that way. Or again, you could just put it under the faucet and it just adds a little bit of moisture and cooks it perfectly. I don't see any hard areas in this at all. So I hope this little trick helped you out, and happy burrito eating. Bye-bye.